Hey beauties, welcome back! Today I'm diving into a hot topic, facial rollers and Gua Sha tools. Do these trendy tools really boost circulation, or are they just another beauty fad? Let's find out! First, let's talk about facial rollers. These little gadgets, often made from jade or rose quartz, promise to enhance blood flow and give your skin a radiant glow. But how do they work? It's simple. By rolling these stones across your face, you create gentle pressure that stimulates blood flow. Think of it like a mini massage for your face. Now here's the science bit. Improved circulation means more oxygen and nutrients delivered to your skin cells, which can result in a healthier complexion. Plus, the rolling motion can help reduce puffiness by encouraging lymphatic drainage. So, in theory, facial rollers can indeed boost circulation and benefit your skin. But what about Gua Sha tools? Gua Sha is an ancient Chinese practice that involves scraping the skin with a smooth-edged tool. Sounds intense, right? But it's actually quite gentle and can be very effective. The scraping motion increases blood flow and helps release tension in your facial muscles. It's like giving your face a workout. So, do these tools live up to the hype? The short answer is yes, but with a caveat. While they can boost circulation and promote a healthy glow, they aren't miracle workers. To see real benefits, consistency is key. Incorporate these tools into your skincare routine regularly, and you might just notice a difference. And remember, technique matters. Always use gentle upward motions and don't apply too much pressure. Pair your facial rolling or Gua Sha session with a good facial oil to help the tools glide smoothly and add extra nourishment to your skin. Before I wrap up, here's a quick tip: store your facial roller in the fridge for an extra cooling effect. It feels amazing, especially in the morning, to depuff tired eyes. So there you have it. Facial rollers and Gua Sha tools can indeed boost circulation and benefit your skin when used correctly and consistently. Have you tried these tools? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay gorgeous!